What's up, guys? So welcome back. I know it's been a minute. A lot of you guys have been writing me on Instagram and Twitter, and I've seen a lot of you at the races over the past couple weekends asking where has the 450L build been. It really just comes down to waiting for parts. So this is where it has been. Not much has changed. I mean, still got my parts laid out on my motor, and a lot of miscellaneous parts still laid out on the table. And you can see some of the parts over here. We'll get to some of those over there and then the rest of it is still laying on the ground. The biggest part that I'm waiting on to rebuild this thing is obviously the frame and the swing arm, which I'm picking up tomorrow, which will be, I think, today for you guys. Wednesday. I'm picking up Wednesday. And then we're gonna start building it. So the build will definitely pick up from there. I'm really excited because I got a lot of the parts and I'm gonna go over those with you. I don't know how long this video is gonna be today, but a lot of you guys have been asking where the videos are, so I thought I'd throw one together today and just kind of catch you guys up on, you know, the small things that I have gotten and where everything is. By the way, finally got my light fixed that sits right above where we've been working on things, so it will be nice and bright for the remaining videos. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna show you guys is some of the black parts that we've gotten, like the triple clamps. Both uppers and lowers are blacked out now. And you can see I put the Honda HRC logos back in them just last night. One really cool thing about these clamps that they did, it's kind of hard to make out on camera, but you can see usually there's like a little, it's like a cast mark, I think, from the mold, and they were able to polish those nice and smooth or sand them down nice and smooth, and then before they went ahead and made them black. If you guys are looking to do anything like this, hit up Bleachworks, because he's been kind of Mikey has been handling pretty much everything, but really excited about that. Tops are the same. They smoothed these down and before they powder coated them, and then obviously left the insides silver for the most grip on to clamp the forks. Next thing, I got all my linkage pieces done black. So you see all black and all the bushings and everything are pressed back in them. Pretty sweet. And again, they just kind of smoothed everything out and made it nice, and you know, the attention to detail is all there, so I'm really happy with this. It's not like it's a crazy thing to have the cast mark still there, but it's nice and definitely adds just a little bit of a touch to the perfection side of things when it's nice and smooth, and I don't know, it almost makes it look aftermarket to me. Next thing we have are the brake pieces. So this is the rear brake. I just kind of, again, common theme, blacked everything out, but added these red banjo bolts. Just adds a little bit of a pop, but this stuff is all done by, and at the fronts I did polish, because I think it'll kind of look cool in all the black. I think having some polished pieces, like my engine hangers that I did in the last video, just kind of having a little bit of silver to pop. But these were done by Moto Stuff, so you guys might have seen them online. I'll add their Instagram. They do a lot of really cool stuff, and their attention to detail is insane. So I'm really excited to have these, and these are actually oversized. I have the bracket right here, so this is the hanger for the caliper, and it's an oversized front brake, so a little more stopping power. Not that I really need it, but I just thought it was kind of cool. I had the option, so why not? Yeah, this stuff's really cool. Again, I'll add the website and the Instagram and everything either on the screen or down in the description. They also did my front brake black. I'm gonna get the red top that I run on my race bike. It's just a red billet piece that says number 14 on it. So I'm gonna get that, and this will kind of like the banjo bolts do. They kind of just like pop with the black coated. And then the rears I had done. This, I didn't know you could actually do this. I thought you had to weld this sight glass solid in order to get it done black, but again, Moto Stuff, they did this for me. I just sent them over my stuff and they handled it, and then also blacked out my brake lever. So everything is coming along very nicely, and it's all blacked out. It's gonna be sweet. It's all murdered out. And then also from Moto Stuff, we were actually thinking of using these. They're kind of just like a miscellaneous bolt kit. I don't really actually know what the part number or anything like this is for, but just some Honda bolt or thread patterns, and it's kind of hard to see in the packaging, but they're just kind of like this gray kind of cool color. So we'll be adding these and the nuts to certain things on the bike that just kind of, like I said, it's just like kind of a murdered out theme, but then also they'll have like little hints of like red or polish or this gray that'll kind of set things apart. Because if it was just all black, like completely black, I don't think it would look as good as it's going to. So that's pretty much everything that I have that I wanted to show you guys as far as blacked out pieces. And this is the Oversize Rotor. So yeah, everything over here is just came in yesterday, and then I started, you can kind of see it right here, I started polishing up these radiators. I haven't done this one yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that maybe today or tomorrow before I throw them on. Just, you can't really see the radiators, but I thought that it would just be cool, just like when I'm looking down, or if you just catch a glimpse of them, just to notice that little attention to detail was there. And I don't know, I kind of nerd out with the polishing thing now. It's kind of fun for me. Okay, the next thing that I'm gonna show you guys is probably one of my most exciting pieces. I was anxiously awaiting these, and I finally went and picked them up yesterday. So we went ahead and got the all black. W built these for me, right there. There's a logo, W. They built these up for me. They're a Talon hub with the DID Dirt Star STX rim. I think this actually comes on the stock on the bike. I don't know, we run these on my race bike, so I wanted to run these just with blacked out spokes and blacked out nipples. And this is gonna look sweet with the, I don't know, the rest of the bike. It's like all gonna tie in really well. But I've been really excited to get my hands on these things. And here's the front, pretty much the same thing. But yeah, just you can see Talon in there, and then W. I think it's Talon or Talon. I always say Talon. They make some good stuff. I remember running these when I was an amateur, so I'm pretty excited to get my hands on these things, which is surprising, right? Because I'm a factory rider and I have factory hubs, but when it's my personal bike, it just feels different for some reason. But yeah, very excited about this. I'm gonna go ahead and get some tires, some Dunlops for these, and then some tubes, and start piecing these together, hopefully tomorrow. I'm hopefully gonna, I haven't put a tire on a wheel in a long time, so it's gonna be interesting, but I'll try and film it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Like I said, I didn't know how long this video is gonna be, but I just wanted to catch you guys up. I know you guys have been asking a lot of questions, but I get the frame back tomorrow, so I'm gonna start filming that tomorrow. I'll probably just jump right into it and start throwing the motor in the frame and piecing this thing back together, so that should be interesting. And then, yeah, like I said, so got most of the parts, wheels, plastics. Oh, I got graphics too that are on the way. I haven't got them yet, but I'm gonna film applying those. They're similar to what we run on our bikes, which is what that is mocked after is a race bikes, but I added my own little touch to them. I'm sure you guys can assume what that was. Yoshimura pipe, I'm really excited about getting that thing on, and yeah, we will start building this thing up tomorrow, and I'll film and hopefully have something up later this week. I'd like to get 3 videos out. If I can't, then I'm gonna get 2 this week, and then trickle into next week, and hopefully this thing will start looking like a bike pretty soon. Again, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, follow. If you don't already, go follow Bleachworks. I'm gonna throw the Instagram up right now. I'm gonna be doing a jersey giveaway with Mikey on that site, so we haven't released any info on that yet, so if you don't, that you can get a head start. Go follow them. You can follow his build as well as my build on that Instagram. He's always posting really cool stuff, taking really cool pictures of the bike. If you guys want anything done to your bikes, hit him up and we'll take care of you. And yeah, it doesn't have to be black, just I'm making everything black, but we can do whatever you guys want. So I'll catch you guys next time.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight,